Oh my gosh, it's a shark. Hello YouTube, this is Dippy Sawers, and I'm back, so let's get started. Those of you guys who aren't currently caught up, I'm playing Stranded Deep right now. Turning down the volume because it's loud and it's hurting my ears. It's probably hurting your ears. My beauty would probably hurt your eyes, but you can't see me. Beautiful. This is really exciting. This is my favorite bit, loading. Whoa. Yay, I'm back and I'm at my island, right? Is this my island? Yes, my island. I thought it wasn't my island. Which is a mistake I'd probably end up making a lot. Now, I have this thing. What does it do? Okay, it's part of an engine. Yep. I'm gonna throw a bunch of my stuff on the floor, like this thing, and 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 this thing. No, and not that thing. And this thing, and this, and this thing. Is a rock shard. Okay. So, I said we would build a house last time, and I didn't, because I'm a jerk. That's okay, now I'll be a hammer? Come on. What's I need the wood sticks. I'm gonna go catch a fish here. And then I'll get a wood stick, because I like fish. They taste good. Sometimes. But, how am I doing? Yeah, I'm hungry. I need edible food. No one likes inedible food, it's only edible food. Darn, all these fish are sardines and tiny. Ooh, shipwreck. Let's go see that first. Then I'll catch one of these midget fish. Is there anything here? Yep. There's a fuel tank! So I close the door. Oh my gosh, it's a shark. He hasn't noticed me yet. He knows me. I think I hit him. I'm a ninja, guys. I hit a shark. I'm gonna kill it. I will get... Oh gosh, he hit me. He hurt me. He bit my soul. There goes my self-esteem as well. I'll get you. It doesn't hurt him. Is he coming for me? I think he's down. Okay. Gonna check that ship for some more stuff. The music's still going though. That's probably not good. Oh gosh. He's still here. Just disappeared. He's a wizard shark. Shark. 3 hours. Nah, he's gone now. I'm gonna go back to shore. Still here. Still gonna go back to shore. I don't need food. I've decided. Okay, so way back. Sweet, how do I get that? Okay, so I just click again. Swimming in the ocean. So, now I need wood, so I'm gonna get that stuff by punching this tree with an axe. And it's technically not punching, so I'm gonna chop it up, but it's still falling. Coconut! No, coconut, you can't leave. Okay. More coconut! Gotta keep hitting this thing. I'm getting bored now. This is almost there. Have I been hitting a palm log this long? Yeah, now I have sticks. Fantastic. See what I did there? No. That's okay. My mom was told me shit. Sorta. Palm top. I wonder when I'm supposed to like go wild and like wear hula hat things and stuff. Gotta get over to the other side. Because my stuff isn't here on this side. Oh my gosh, maybe I went to the wrong island. I swam out too far. I doubt that, but I'm kind of scared right now. Where's all my stuff? So gone. Maybe it wasn't that sad. I just walked past it. Right? 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 I'm surveying the landscape. Where is it? Here? I gotta look for that cargo box then? Oh, there it is. It's just on the wrong side. Place. It's here. I think. I have a lionfish? No, sardine, but it comes out as a lionfish. How do I get my torch again? Input. Torch. F. No. But the wrong one. R. Back. Zoom. Oh, doesn't work, dang it. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's go to bed. So now I can build a freaking house. C. Hammer. Craft. There. Pick. Dang it! You die. Pick up. C. House. Yes! Dang it. Craft. So pretty, I'm gonna put it in the water. I'm gonna put it here. This is so stupid! Actually, I want to put it down. Dang it. I'm an idiot. Well, that's stuck there forever. I guess I'll have to build stairs. Can you build stairs? Is that a thing? I have to eat something. So weak. So dramatic. Okay, you can eat a coconut half that floats above your hand because you are a wizard. Munch. Oh yeah, I can get rid of that thing. E. No. In this game, I never really get to actually doing things. Come on, I can't still be hungry. I just ate a coconut. I'm still hungry. I'm dying. I'm red too. At least I'm not cut or anything. That's a good thing. Oh yeah, I have this sardine. I probably could eat him. Oh yeah, I ate that other one. So stupid. Wait, is my puke on the floor? Because I think I threw up. Nope. Let's see. Wait, my hammer's not equipped. Dang it! The hammer. See, now I can build my stairway to heaven. Yes. Dang it. Oh yeah, I have some lashings. That's good. Actually prepared for this. What's going on? What's morphine? I think I know what it is, I just forgot. Nah, I don't know what it is, I'm being weird. You guys should support me in the comments and say, no, Debbie Salvis, you're not weird. Or else you're gonna hurt my feelings even more. This is my house now. You can stare off into the horizon. There. Right. Perfect. And close. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share. I'm waving my arms about like a madman, but you guys can't see it because I'm invisible.